it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to do an unboxing of a 10-pound men's lot from THREDUP. And if you haven't noticed, today we have a special guest. It's my Chihuahua Dolce. He'll be in the background today. But today's unboxing, we're going to do a 10-pound men's lot. It's mixed sizes, mixed clothing, men's lot, and I did already do an unboxing of a men's lot, and I'll link that down below. From my experience from my previous men's lot, I still haven't sold everything, but I've already profited off of the box. The box is, I think, like $40, $39.99, something like that. They occasionally do free shipping, so that's all you're paying, no tax or anything, and I exceeded that. So, men's lot for me, I really enjoyed listing them because I usually do a lot of women's clothing. So let's get started and see what we have inside of the box. Okay, oh, it's wrapped in tissue paper, as always. Okay, so the first item is different than what I got in my last box. And the first item I'm starting off with is a hat. I didn't get any hats in my last box, but this is a Timberland hat. It's a men's hat. You can tell it is slightly used, but it's in really good condition. Just a plain black Timberland's hat. Oh, you want to smell it? No, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. He's excited about the unboxing. He loves getting gifts. But also, I just want to remind everyone that everything that I unbox here will be listed in my POSHMARK closet. So if you see an item that you like, just look down in the description and it'll give you a link to my POSHMARK. So the first item is a black men's Timberland hat. The second item is also another item that I didn't get in my first box, and this is a belt. Oh, it's two items. So the first one is a belt, and it's Orvis. It's a leather belt, Orvis. I've never heard of that brand. This kind of looks like a bullet, sort of, but it's a brown leather belt in the size 36. The holes seem to be in good shape. You can see there is a little rubbing. There's a little rubbing along where like the hardware has hit it, but that's good. I haven't sold a men's belt before, so this will be something new. And the reason why I love THREDUP again is you never know what you're going to unbox, so it's a good way to expand your listings and go into a new territory like men's belts. So the next item is a wallet. And I can already see there's a defect. There's supposed to be a button here, and there's missing a button. Scratch that. It was folded incorrectly. There's the button. So that's how it's supposed to be. There are some scratches. There's superficial scratches, and then there's a little bit deeper scratches as well. It is F&L top grain leather wallet. This is what it looks like inside. Money holder. I mean, it has a lot of slots for cards, so this is actually a really good leather. This is actually a really good wallet, but I'm not familiar with the brand again. It's F&L Classic. Can you see that? Not really sure of that brand, but this does have a lot of wear to it within the where you put your ID. But we'll see if this is worth selling, or it might just go in the next garage sale. Okay, moving on to the next item. Again, something I didn't get in the last box, and this is a bag, a men's bag. So this has a lot of wear to it. A lot of scratches going on, a lot of wear to it. The brand is Visconti. I haven't heard of that either, but it would be a good work bag for someone, definitely. Has lots of slots, lots of spaces, zipper pockets, and it has both snap closure, magnetic closure. It has both of those. We'll see about this one, I'm not sure. So far we're starting off, and my previous men's box was a lot better. So I don't know where it'll go at this point, but let's keep going. The next item is a pair of socks from Hallmark. New with the tag, it's $12.95. Tomorrow is a new day. Roll with the punches. I'm not sure if anyone wants these socks. These might just go straight to the yard sale and not listed online, but we'll see. I'll look up the comps and see if I can get anything out of it. But one size fits most, and just regular socks. The next item is, so the next item is new. It's still in the box. It's an Active Pro Performance crew neck tee, and the brand is Starter. Size is small. It's just a black. You can see what it looks like there. It's just a black workout tee. Pretty cool. I'll definitely take it out of this packaging before selling it, because the packaging makes it look kind of like it's been tossed around. It has a lot of scratches on it, so I'll repackage it in my packaging to make it look better. But that's the next item. So this is the 6th item out of this box so far. So far I'm not liking this box compared to the last box, but it can still redeem itself, so let's keep going. Finally, clothing, what I wanted. Okay, so this is a pair of dress pants. The brand is Super 150s by, I do not know. See that tag? I'm not really sure, but it's a pair of gray dress pants. Everything seems to be in good condition. Let's see, has all of the buttons it's supposed to. They seem really nice. Really good condition. They're a size 48. 48-32. So. I'll take it. Next item is another pair of pants. And this brand, so these are Wranglers in size 36-32. Tan cargo pants. Good condition. Still has everything intact, buttons and zippers, so that'll be a good sell. Someone work pants or just everyday pants. Next item is, let's see. So this is a shirt, new with tags, from Apartment 9. Blue, extra large. Okay, so Apartment 9 is Kohl's. Soft touch. It is a really soft shirt, so really cute going into fall and winter. I'll definitely list this. Next item is another new with tags. So this is Converse, and it is another extra large. Tan button down. Oh, I've never really seen like a Converse button down type shirt like this, so that'll be fun to list. Next item again is with tags, and this is from Banana Republic. This is a medium sweater. It's cute. It's blue with brown and white stripes. I like it. So the tag that's on it is, I guess, extra thread, and then the price tag has been ripped off. So I'm assuming this might have been for a gift for somebody and they didn't like it, but I will gladly take it. Looks like we have, maybe including this, 3 more items. So this box, we got a lot of items. For the price I paid, I think I did a good job. I think I'll definitely make my money back on this. It's not as good as my first box for sure, but I will probably still continue to get men's boxes. This is a pink dress shirt. I really like this shirt. Again, it is new. So this is new and I have no clue what this brand is. I'll show you the tag. See if you've ever seen this brand. Back of it is in like Japanese. But it is a new pink shirt, size 42. It's a really thick shirt. I like it. Of course, it's my favorite color too. But I do like this shirt. So the clothing, a lot of it's been new with tags, so I won't complain about that. Next item is a polo from Gap. So this is a gray medium polo. Doesn't appear to have any branding on it, so that's a plus. I don't like the polos that have the obnoxious brands in the corner, but good condition too. Short sleeve gray Gap polo. And then the last item here, we have another new with tag. And these are J. Crew pants. Size 31-32. And these are the Sutton style. Really cute. I like these. I like the color. I wish these were Corey's size, but oh well. So the tag says $59.50 and then it went on sale $39.97. But these are really nice pants. So that finishes up everything that we got for the men's 10-pound box. I know this was more than 10 items. I didn't really keep track of how many items there were. But I think overall I got a really good box. My first box was still my favorite, if you haven't figured that out by now. But I'll be sure to get these listed quickly. If you like anything, remember again, they're in my Poshmark closet below. Let me know if you guys have gotten a men's THREDUP box and what your favorite item or least favorite item. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.